get my clothes on. Me too. It's going to be a hard day. I think it is going to be a hard day too. Let's get our clothes on. Okay, we got our clothes on. And now we have to go to school. Wait, what's the time? I don't know. Do we have a timer? No. Ah! Oh. Okay. Let's go to school and just get our backpacks ready. Okay? Okay. Okay, where's our backpack? Where's the backpack? Where's our backpack? I don't know. Let's go find them! Let's just go to school. Yeah. Oh my God. School is so dark. Wait a second. Look at the timer. School's over. Oh my God. Why didn't we think about that? School is over. I repeat, school is over. What was that from? I don't know. I don't remember how we got in here, so we might have to go through that vent. Yeah, let's go through that vent. Ah! Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Let's try to climb up this ladder again. Okay, we're up again. Okay. Let's go in that hotel. Oh, let's go in this house. Oh, look, there's a street light. Maybe we can do something. It's just a street light. Let's go. Let's knock it over to see what's under it. Help me! A heart! That must be a clue from our school. What are you talking about? It has to be a clue. Let's find out. Okay, where is our school? Oh, there it is! Run! Okay, we're in our school. But here? Shout loud. Is anybody here? Yes. What was that? I don't know. Bye. Oh my God.